Turn on any screen today, and the global news cycle is dominated by a single, inescapable subject: artificial intelligence. We are rapidly deploying hyper-advanced systems globally, yet the engineers building them readily admit they do not fully understand how these models make decisions. This relentless pursuit of processing power forces a difficult question. As the machines grow smarter, are we willingly handing over our own authority? Artificial intelligence has moved from the realm of theory and into the gears of global infrastructure, acting as an unchecked force that is actively rewriting the rules of human existence. On the surface, the transition feels entirely comfortable. We welcome AI as a seamless assistant that monitors our heart rates, manages our smart homes, and optimizes our daily routines. But maintaining that level of convenience requires a massive hidden infrastructure. Behind the helpful voice assistants are sprawling data cabinets like these, running continuously to extract and store the details of your life. The industry relies on algorithmic profiling, a process where every digital footprint you leave, from your search history to your physical location, is aggregated to build a highly accurate, predictive model of your future behavior. We trade away the intricate details of our personal lives in exchange for immediate digital convenience. The ultimate cost of a frictionless world is the silent surrender of global privacy. The same predictive logic used to track consumer behavior is now being integrated into heavy industry, translating software code into autonomous physical action across the global workforce. Look at the industrial sector. In automated manufacturing facilities, massive robotic arms like these execute precise welding tasks continuously. Human intervention is completely obsolete. The physical realm is only the beginning. Administrative roles are disappearing at an equal pace. AI software now processes legal documents, writes code, and analyzes financial data, leaving modern open-plan offices like this one increasingly empty. This extraction of human involvement trickles all the way down to daily consumer interactions. Routine transactions are handled by automated self-checkout kiosks. Corporations are rapidly restructuring operations. In this efficiency-driven economy, biological human labor is increasingly viewed as a slow, expensive liability. Replacing our labor creates an economic crisis, but manipulating what we perceive threatens our psychology. Advanced algorithms are now capable of manufacturing hyper-realistic synthetic media. This relies on generative adversarial networks. Two AI models compete. One creates a fake image, the other detects the forgery, refining output in real time until indistinguishable from reality. Political operations deploy this to manufacture fake speeches, seamlessly replacing human identities and fabricating events. Because algorithms prioritize engagement over accuracy, this digital misinformation spreads exponentially. A fabricated, highly emotional video will travel across global networks thousands of times faster than a verified fact. When synthetic media becomes perfect, objective truth erodes. A society that can no longer trust its own eyes and ears loses the shared reality necessary to function. The most critical application of this intelligence exists at the level of global defense and national security. Militaries are quietly adopting the doctrine of autonomous warfare. This is the shift toward giving machines independent authority to identify targets and execute lethal strikes without human confirmation. In the digital realm, AI-driven cyber warfare operates on a timescale far too rapid for human comprehension. An autonomous attack can trigger cascading network failures across continents in milliseconds, long before human commanders can intercept. Granting algorithms control over global weaponry removes the critical human hesitation necessary for diplomacy. It creates a mathematical environment where a catastrophic global conflict could be initiated and escalated before we even realize it. We have built an inescapable ecosystem. From the glowing skylines of major cities to hidden financial markets, humanity functions within a massive, interconnected technological hive that we can no longer easily unplug. Artificial intelligence possesses no inherent morality or conscience. It is a highly efficient mirror, equipped only with the capacity to amplify human intent. If directed toward human flourishing, these systems could map the genome, cure disease, and optimize global energy grids. But if directed toward control, they present an absolute risk of subjugation. The code itself is neutral. The rigid architecture of oversight, safety, and ethics we choose to build around it right now will be permanent. The window of opportunity to set those boundaries and regulate artificial intelligence is rapidly closing. Assuming this technology will naturally align with human values is a dangerous calculation. Passive acceptance is an active surrender of our agency to the machines. We are deciding the trajectory of our species. Humanity's future survival depends entirely on the actions we take today.